Now I would like to show one function. Okay, how useful for you. You have to think that I will create one table. Okay, just go to focus mode so that it will be better. I just have a product line basis. I know the price each, right? This is a price each we have for our price we have. And we have a competitor price also, right? We have been created one competitor price in previous video, like by using a lookup and table creation. I take that one also. Okay. What happened? For one of the product, we are not having that competitor price, right? We are not having that competitor price. I just want to do in such a way that in case, okay, um, if I have a competitor price, okay, if I'm not having a competitor price, I need to mention that price each has to be mentioned as a competitor price. Okay, in case if there is no competitor price, if there is a competitor price, I need to show that competitor price itself. Okay, how can we do that one? We can use a switch function. Okay, we are switching between a values. If it is there, same value. If it is not there, we switch between a previous value, like price each value. Okay, how we'll create one measure. Like here I will come, I will create a new measure. What exactly we will do? uh, yeah, here I will give as a new underscore price underscore each. Okay, what exactly we will do here? We'll switch between, we would like to switch. The expression is like, when condition is true, we need to switch. So what I'll say true. Okay, whenever it is a true, okay, condition is true, I need to switch. No, when exactly it has to switch, it as I say comma, the value to be switched. For which value we need to switch? We say sum of. Okay, sum of. I need this one competitor price in a sales data. The competitor price, where exactly we have um, the sum of competitor price. अरे यार, competitor, or I just say, oh yeah, sales. Why it is not showing? Because we already created, right? Competitor price. Okay, it is a calculated one. So in bracket, if I use sales, okay, competitor price. Okay, competitor price. I selected competitor price. Okay, in case this is this sum what we have taken, if it is greater than 0. Okay, in case if it is greater than 0, this total which we calculated, the competitor price for each of the product line, then what we have to show? Only that competitor price to be shown. So we, whatever the calculated competitor price is, that has to be shown. Otherwise the value 2 means, in case if it is not there, then what to be shown? I just say the result to be sum of the, like, product sales, like price each we need to uh, yeah, show. We'll see, is it working? I close the bracket, close the switch, enter. It's created. Okay, where a new price, if I select that, okay, you can check, is it correct? Okay. Yeah, when we have competitor price, it shows the competitor price only. When we are not having competitor price, it shows the price each. Right, like this we can create, like when something is not available, something else to be referred, then we use this switch function. Okay, switch, in case it is true, I just use shift enter, so that you will have a better idea. Like switch, if it is true, we'll calculate a competitor price which we calculated the column. If it is more than 0, we use that as a value. Otherwise, we'll use a this as a value, price each as a value. Okay, this is the how we have been created a switch function. Switch function basically used to switch between a two column values.